Hey guys, this is my 2015 Indian Scout. I'm going to show you some of the modifications I've done. First, I'll start with the Crusher slip-on exhaust. Left the baffles in. It's plenty loud with them in and very nice. Then, if you guys are going to do two-up riding, definitely upgrade the suspension to the Ktech. I did the stiffest springs. I tried a little bit more than my weight, and it was I had to put way too much preload on it, and so I ended up getting the stiffer springs and way better for two-up riding. I did the Corbin seat with modified my stock backrest to match, and again, two-up riding, don't waste your time with the stock seats or the touring seat that they have. Just get this seat way better for the passenger, and also it's way more comfortable for my front seat. Then I did the Viking extra large bag. I did though have to change and modify how I mounted them up. I wanted to make them solid, not quick release, but I want to be able to use my quick release backrest. So had to go to the hardware store, get some different bolts. The one they send are more American, not metric, so they weren't going to work anyway. Super nice, didn't even have to color match, it just came the way it was, and ended up matching really good. Again, Ktech suspension in the front, the tracker, they're inserts, cartridge inserts. I could show you a video on that if you guys need to see how to install it. It's a little bit complicated, but not bad. Then I did a 10-inch riser bar. Brake cable and electrical seems to be fine lengthwise. Clutch cable is definitely tight. I had to rerun it. I do have one coming that's going to be longer, but for the meantime, I kind of just ran it up through here, down the side. It's working. I've been riding it for a couple weeks, no problem. Next thing I did was just kind of blocked out the front, the mirrors, and got some new levers. Did the headlight cover as well. Just another feature to make it look cooler, I think. So other than that, that was about it. I did redo my blinkers with a blinker set off of my MV Agusta, one of my MVs that kind of looked cooler. It had clear lens instead of the amber. Kind of liked it better. Did it on the front as well. Other than that, that's about it. Painted the gas cap black. Kind of nice. Other than that, that's it. So let me know if you guys have any questions, want to see how I did some of this stuff, and I can definitely show a video of how I made it all happen. Thanks.